If this one lives up to the hype, Byron, we're in for an amazing match here tonight.
There's no reason to think this one won't live up to the hype, Michael. We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE.
Guys, this match is sure to not disappoint, especially considering who's involved here tonight.
You're absolutely right, Michael. This match will be one we'll be talking about for a long time to come.
Tag Team All-Star Showtime, Matt, the Freak, Daddy, Chris, on the way to the ring at a combined weight of 460 pounds.
And this is one of those matches where it's hard to believe we get paid for this. Well, actually, hard to believe Saxton gets paid for anything.
Technique. Boom, what impact. Right in the mouth. Relent. Ooh, what impact. Neck breaker. What a stomp. Good grief. Oh, knee to the face.
That's gonna hurt.
Kick to the... What a stomp! Good grief!
Oh. The challenger's starting to slow down a bit here.
So many variables for him to take into account here in this tornado tag match.
We seem more motivated than ever heading into this match, which makes me think he still has plenty of fight left in him.
Oh, man, what a driver!
The champ's starting to sweat.
Many see him as one of the greatest champions of this era. Tonight is his chance to prove it.
Yeah, but if you count him out now, guys, you'll be making a very big mistake. Mark my words.
Nailed it. Oh!
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Boom!
Taking out the arm, great strategy. Big time slam.
Vicious.
Oh, torturous knee.
The challenger not looking good right now. I don't think this is how he envisioned this match going here tonight.
This match certainly isn't trending in the right direction for him. He's gonna need a change in momentum and fast.
This one's over. The champ starting to feel the pressure a bit, and you have to wonder how much more the champ has to give.
In a back-and-forth match like this, he has to do everything in his power not to let his opponent gain too much momentum here.
Impactful slam. He's making a statement here with this attack. got a clothesline.
Ooh, what impact.
Oh, nasty impact.
He's looking a little wobbly here, guys.
Michael, his legs look like they're about to give out on him. Harsh impact.
Back inside the ring now.
Nope, reverses it. Hooked up. Ah, shin breaker.
Championship on the line.
Oh, drop kick.
Right on the money.
The challenger looking absolutely exhausted in there. The champ might just have nothing left in his tank.
He has got to fight back. Oh, man, he has plenty of reason to be concerned here, guys. But you know what? So does his opposition. This is about as close as it gets.
The challenger's championship dreams are fading quickly. At this point, his confidence has to be at zero.
He is hurt. For a while there, it looked like he was going to take this match. It's amazing how quickly things can change here in the WWE. Swinging neck breaker. Here's his moment, Michael.
An amazing match so far, guys, but it looks to me like we're possibly nearing the end here.
Yes! Unreal performance.
That match is worth another look. Here we go.
I know the match was solidly entertaining, but I really hope these guys would take it to the next level. Regardless, nobody's asking for their money back.
Here are your winners and the new Tag Team All-Star Showtime Matt and the Freak Daddy Chris, the Megastars.
Big win here in tag team action tonight.
With wins like that, there's no way these two should even think about splitting up. Just my opinion.
Folks, we just saw one of the most exciting matches you'll see anywhere.